Hi, my name is Alex Welsh. I work for CSL on Parliament Hill in the precinct, and I'm the turf crew leader. We concentrate on all the turf, all the grass at Parliament Hill and all the other buildings. Along with that, we've got a crew that does trimming, does blowing to make sure that all the grass is off the sidewalks and the roads. It cleans up leaves and things like that. It's tangible. You can see the actual change and the difference you've made. And again, it's representing Canada, so it's nice to see people coming up and even complimenting us on how well the lawns look, etc. I have worked for other landscaping companies, and the comparison is night and day. CSL is both practical and theoretical in their training on health and safety issues. They're very employee-oriented. This is a second career for me, so it's something that's outdoors. You get to spend a lot of time in the fresh air, and it's a relatively stress-free job. So I mean, you go in, you do your job, make sure you do it well, and you go home at the end of the day happy.